You damn sure can't tell where the road ends and begins. Drive, nothing. So white. This damn 8 inches to a foot where I'm walking, where they already plowed last night. And my car was cleaned off once already, and that's the second parking spot. I parked back there about midnight, and it's already got at least a foot around it. But it's icy. There ain't a soul. I hadn't seen any cars out today. You got to drive through a damn 2-foot snowbank to get up here to this. Man. This is a mess. That's all I can say. We're supposed to get some more today too, by the way. Feels like it's warmed up slightly, and it's like a mist or drizzle maybe even. Golly. Crazy. It's not even winter yet either.